record-breaking heat. You know what scares me the most? No AC. Well, if that scares you too, then you want to listen up. We have some great tips and offers for you this morning to make sure that does not happen to you. I want you to meet Rick Cubis. He's the general manager of Emergency Air and Heating, and he is the man with the plan today. I'm so excited that you're here because it does scare so many people,
Yeah, it does.
Rick.
It does.
Okay, so you got to tell us, how do we avoid these costly breakdowns or a complete breakdown? Nobody wants to be without AC.
Sure. Well, the number one cause of system failure is really dirt, dust, and debris. So changing out your filters, protecting your system from that dust collecting on the system, making sure that the outdoor unit, that AC condenser that's sitting outside, is free from debris. You don't have things cluttered around it because that system has to breathe. So the more it breathes, the better it'll operate.
Okay.
Set it and forget it. Just keep a steady temperature on there. Don't kick it down, don't kick it up, just leave it at a steady temperature throughout the day. And then last but not least is check your insulation. Make sure that insulation is good in the attic and that you don't have any cold air leaks throughout the house. Make sure your house is sealed up tight.
Okay, those are good tips. What are the two major reasons our AC breaks down to begin with?
Preventative maintenance is kind of out of sight, out of mind. You know, you call us when it's all of a sudden broke. So being proactive with maintenance, having us come out and doing maintenance, and because again, dirt, dust, and debris is the #1 killer of those systems. So having us out to do the cleanings is super important. All
right, well, let's talk about those cleanings because in your special offer, you're offering a $39 cleaning. And people are going to go, what, $39? Okay, first of all, does that really help? And if you do that, what good does it do? How long does it last?
Yeah, that's good. Good question. So the $39 is real, unlike what you see in some of the competitors where they do tune-ups or inspections. It's an actual deep clean on the outdoor unit. That's the heart of the system. Okay. So it's collecting all this dirt and it's causing the system to run harder than it needs to.
All right, so if you think that that's not really going to help, I want you to take a look at this before and after picture because that is significant, right?
That's big.
And that's the idea, right? Keep it clean, just like you would your teeth.
Yeah, exactly. And keep your lungs clean too, because by the way, you're breathing all that stuff.
Ooh. Okay, how can you afford to do a $39 cleaning?
Yeah, well, you know what? Let's face it. It's not a money-making thing, right? But it's a way for people to experience our legendary tune-up services, so they can see what we're all about. So we want to make it affordable, so people know who to call when something happens.
I like that. I like that. So you also offer up in your special offer a second opinion.
Yes.
So if you find that you know somebody told you do need a new AC. Not a bad idea to get a second opinion.
Right.
You guys will do that for free?
Yeah, exactly. Because what we're finding is that most people don't need to replace their system. And I know it's a shocker, but a lot of technicians are out there selling equipment. In our company, when we send a technician out to your house, they're not allowed to sell you a new system. Our whole goal is to see how long we can keep your system healthy and alive, so you don't have to spend that money. Yeah, it's a totally different concept.
It sure is. I'm a little shocked, actually, Rick. So, and we were just talking too right before the segment, and because I'm going to ask you what makes you different, but I already know based on what you just told me a moment ago, and it's your people.
Right. So our theme line is Emergency Air. The difference is we care. Right. It's a cute little theme line, but
it is cute.
The bottom line is it's about the people. You know, we're just a lot of people are having a hard time finding good people. We're not having a problem at all. We're finding really, really good humans that care about the community, that care about other people. So they're not out there looking for their own pocketbook and what they can make off the job.
And isn't that what we all want, is somebody to come in, be honest with us, right? And care. I mean, because quite frankly, when your AC goes out, we're all not happy campers when you show up. So we'll try to be nicer.
Thank you. That would be appreciated.
No, because we appreciate what you guys do. So, hey, thank you for being here today.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Let me tell you about that special offer that Emergency Air brought along. This is just for Sonoran Living viewers, okay? You're going to get an AC deep cleaning for only $39, or you'll receive a free second opinion on replacing your AC. Or maybe they'll do both. Who knows? All right. Emergency Air, serving the Phoenix metro area. Here's the number to call, 602-669-2615, or visit the website to learn more, emergencyair.com.